Hello, everybody. Welcome to Chesney's Live Showroom. I'm Edison from Sales Department. Thank you again, all of you, join with me today. I'm really appreciate. I know now it's a difficult time because the coronavirus situation is still going on in a lot of countries. I hope you and your family and your friends keep safe, protect yourself. Well, I have been to Egypt for 3 or 4 times. I really love the local food and the culture. And the people I met are very intelligent and hardworking. Nowadays, the communication and the cooperation between China and Egypt become more and more active. I think this is a good chance for China, also our responsibility to bring the best medical products to Egypt. I hope through today's meeting, you can have better understanding of China and our products. Today, we also have invited very famous professor, Dr. Mohammed Kamal, to join with us. Later, he will give us a lecture. So stay with us. Don't miss this part. For today's meeting, it will be around 1 hour. We will divide it by 4 parts. In the first part, I will introduce our company and our product, CBit 8, briefly. In the second part, we have Professor Mohammed Kamal to give us a lecture. In the third part, we will use our CBit 8 to give you a demonstration to scan the fetal, so you can see how is the performance of our machine. In the last part, it is Q&A section. If you have any questions for Dr. Mohammed, you can ask us. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. Chesney was founded in the year 1996 with our headquarters and factory located in Wuxi City. We have been dedicating the ultrasound manufacturing, research, and designing for over 24 years. Thanks to our good quality products, we have been export our products to more than 100 countries. And we rank top 3 brand in China. We also have 2 service centers, one in the United States, another one in Germany, to provide the local services. In the near future, we are planning to set up an office in Egypt to cover the local service, also can cover the African countries' sales and services. Well, for Chesney, we can provide complete solutions from color Doppler system to black-white system. We have trolley system, portable systems to cover all the applications like cardiology, vascular, Ob Gyn, radiology, MSK, anesthesia. All the applications, we have solutions for you. And we also have kinds of transducers, linear probe, convex probe, phase area probe, PE probe, all kinds of probes we can manufacture by ourselves. So we have very strong research and development ability. Today, I will introduce our advanced model, CBit 8. Here, you can see the outlook. It's quite slim, very compact size. You can put the machine in very limited space. The mobility of this machine is quite good. And this machine comes with 19-inch monitor to provide doctor very good view to diagnosis. And it has a touch screen to provide you a very good solution, workflow to improve our efficiency. And it has 4 active probe connectors. You don't need to change the probe very frequently. Okay, that's the outlook of our machine. In next part, I will highlight what is features for this machine. So when doctor come to the ultrasound, the first thing is image quality. If the ultrasound without good image quality, it is very bad for doctor to make diagnosis. So in order to enhance our image quality, CBit 8 comes with our latest technology, FHI, Q-beam, Q-image. All this technology can guarantee the image resolution and penetration. Next, I would like to show you some images that we take from CBit 8. So you can see the resolution is quite nice. Also, details is very rich, and even we can detect very tiny blood flow. The color Doppler is quite sensitive. So all these things are very basic and also important thing for the ultrasound. Okay, move to the next part. I will introduce what's the functions for the Ob Gyn. It will be divided by 3 parts. First is what's functions for the obstetrics. In the second part, I will introduce what's function for the gynecology. And last part is a function for the reproduction. So for obstetrics, our machine has very good functions, features to different stages of the fetus, from early pregnancy to the 3rd, 4th trimester of the fetus. We have different solutions for doctors to diagnose conditions of fetus. Here is a different render mode that CBit can have. And this machine also comes with the auto-free NT. This function can detect the neutral translucence NT automatically with just one button. Then the machine can detect the NT and give the result automatically. This function can save the doctor time to improve the work efficiency. And we have volume slice function. This function can cut the 3D volume image to different slices. Then the doctor can observe the internal structures of the image to check if there's any diseases. And we have a HD niche. Through this function, the doctor can overview the image through 3-dimensional direction to see the internal structures for better diagnosis. And for this machine, we also have very good 4D function. It is very easy to capture the 4D image. And we have 2 functions, depth view and virtual HD. These 2 functions can show the image, show the fetal face like a real one. And next, we have a sonocrystal. Well, this function can show the internal structures of the fetal, also show the surface information for doctor. Okay, that's the main functions. And next, we have the Sono AIOB. This function also very smart. With just one button, the doctor can get results automatically, like AC, HC, FL, and NT. So it can save a lot of time for doctor. Okay, that's main functions that I would like to introduce to you for the obstetrics. Next, I would like to introduce what function for the gynecology. For gynecology parts, we have a very good transvaginal probe, which can provide around 210 degrees, very wide angle for doctor to have a better view to diagnose the diseases. And we have also breast lesion detection. The machine can detect the lesion or breast lesion automatically and measure the size. So also very smart. And we have the next one. Okay, that's the main function set for the gynecology. For the reproduction, or we call IVF, now also important and in a lot of markets. So for us, we have the solution for you. We have a good transvaginal probe and biopsy for the IVF. And we have also follicle detection function. With one button, the machine can detect the follicles and measure the size of the follicles. The doctor can choose the best one. Okay, that's the main functions I would like to introduce to you for CBit 8 to provide the women's health.